This is Arknil Gaming and we'll be drawing for the KOF event. This is the 40th draw. Hope we can get a bingo. Oh, we got a bit of it. Bingo please, bingo. Nice bingo! And we got... Yes, we got Terry. I know, it's a Terry. It's you. Dang it. I thought it's Terry. Yoko Sanabi. Nice. I'm not a mage user. But at least we got it in 40 draws. This is my 27 skill.